great leaders in the world. I'm telling you, go and check characteristics of all great leaders. They have a little bit of craziness in them. So can you see that Agyapong or Canada or China? That's how characteristics of a great leader. Etimamu taking say that is a weakness. It's even a great access for this country. So wo paka menoto na me can't much say we are wrong or we are wrong. Me can when you want what ya. What ya so kind of a society part of this world. What be ties if Agyapong become the president of Ghana and his cabinet? How would you see how he will run the cabinet? So minister wedding go say see him fire our Ghana for him fire. He will fire you the next day. And that's the kind of leader that we want. That's the kind of leader that can change the destiny of the ordinary Ghanaian. It is not only about the individual, it's about the future of this country. What you say? Imagine Agyapong being the president and Brian Champon being the vice president of this country.
Why Brian Champon?
Brian Champon is a very young, dynamic individual, disciplinarian,